Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden from HHWCUSTOMS.com. Today I'm going to be talking about these Dayton wheels I made. Now these are fully 3D printed, these are 9mm, and they are technically 3 pieces. So this is something I'm offering right now, and as you can see, these are painted up already. So you have the white wall to them and of course the silver / chrome spokes itself. Now this is a true 72 spoke in here, and as I mentioned before, these are fully 3D printed and assembled by me. So there's 2 ways that these are being sold. They're painted and unpainted. And the painted kit will come just like this, fully assembled on this little case holder thing. I don't know what you would call this. Now for the unpainted version, they're going to come like this in 3 separate little stem case things, whatever you want to call them. And the reason for this is because a lot of people want some different options when it comes to painting these. So some people have a specific chrome they like, a specific gold, blue, red, purple, whatever they want. And the same thing for the white walls. Some people have been asking for red walls or yellow walls or something around that. So when I designed this kit, I wanted to make sure I can sell it both as a painted version like this, where I do all the work for you, because a lot of people don't want to paint it, and like a kit like this, which is a do-it-yourself kind of thing, where you can have the opportunity to paint it however you want. So that's 2 ways it's going to come. Obviously, this price is going to be a bit more expensive, and this is going to be less because you have to do more work. So I think it's a pretty cool concept though, if I'm being honest with you. This is kind of like the model kits and stuff like that you would see back then, where you actually have to take it off the stems. Now it's fairly easy, get them off the stems. What I do is I actually have this little clippers, get them on Amazon for a couple bucks. All you do is get your clippers, slide it right down there, cut one way, and then flip to the other side, and then boom. Now just want to cut as close as you can to the actual tire. But if you do end up leaving like a little stem, you can just get a razor blade and kind of scratch that off and make it flat, and then it'll roll no problem. But that was just a look at how to cut those. You know, it's just a quick little setup here, but this is on the 65 Impala. But that's kind of what they look like in terms of scale for you. I think they look pretty nice. Obviously, people can go smaller if they want, but I'm probably going to be making bigger ones in the future. But I figured it'd just be something cool to make right now. I know I don't traditionally do a lot of wheels, and so people have been asking me for a while to make these. So I figured today I'd make them up and figure it out. And so I spent the last couple weeks actually trying to figure this out and make it right. So I think these are pretty cool. Now, with these being 3D printed, they are still fragile, so don't go around like they are like a traditional Hot wheel. But they still perform really, really nice. Here's some pictures on the screen right now of the 65 Impala with all the wheels properly mounted and stuff like that. And I think it looks pretty cool, to be honest with you. I want to try for myself to try and experiment with some different paints and see what kind of looks I can get. See if I can do some candy stuff over this silver I have, because I think that'd be really cool. And then here's a look at the actual file itself on the computer, what it looks like. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but there's 3 pieces there. And yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like, the end result. So if you guys are interested in any of these, you guys can check my website out, HHWCUSTOMS.com. And there'll be a link below to go directly to it. But I have these available right now. Like I said, I don't know how long I'm going to have these available for. I want to say forever, but if I'm being honest with you, these are really, really hard to make. And it's making sense to me now why people charge so much for these wheels, because they are absolutely a pain in the ass to make. I'm not even going to sugarcoat it. They have taken me 3 days of my time, like full, like 8-hour days of cutting and cleaning and painting and assembling everything. It's taken me quite a while, and I only have about 50 sets. So it's really, really, really time consuming. So I understand the price now and why people were charging so much for them. You guys know who I'm talking about. There's a couple of different people out there, but I'm trying to make it affordable, so I have these a little bit cheaper to offset that price from you guys, and make it fair for everyone who wants these wheels and can't afford them all, because honestly, they look really nice on a lot of cars. So, but yeah, that pretty much just sums up the video. Not really too much going on. It's not a full thing like my other videos, but that pretty much sums it up. If you guys are interested in any of these wheels, either the DIY kit or the fully painted version, you guys can head over to HHWCUSTOMS.com and check it out. And these are a bit hard to show on camera, but you actually can see through the spokes My camera's just not picking up too well, but you can. So I have some better pictures on my website. You can see them there. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe. It really does help me a lot. And yeah, check out what else I got on my website. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.